Gotta get some stuff done today. So the first stop is the dry cleaners to pick up some stuff I dropped off a few days ago. Then we're gonna go to Costco to get some gasoline, some supplies, and then finally Walmart and finish off the supply list. Dangerously close to being empty. Bad for the engine. $4.29 a gallon. This relatively little purchase as far as amount costs that much. Oh boy. Got most of what I needed and didn't break the bank. For all our conveniences, it's becoming a bit more expensive as of late. I wonder why. Well, I got everything done on my checklist, just about. While at Costco, beautiful wife gave me a call saying that our precious Shih Tzu Cinnabon's medication is ready for pickup from the vet. So I'm going to be heading home so I can drop everything off that I just purchased, because I do have some perishables in the back. And I don't want them sitting in the car as I make the trek to the vet. So I may wind up taking the wife to work first and then picking up the meds. So, I'm home. I should also mention that despite the price point being a bit larger than normal, you still can't beat the convenience, because everything I just purchased is in close proximity to the house. So it beats going from Lukban to Lucena, which is about 45 to an hour, just to purchase stuff you need. Grant you, the price point is much better than here, but you wind up wasting time and petrol just to make the trip to and fro. Yummy. Yogurt. Ta-da! leave you there for now. Oh look, somebody didn't turn the fan off again. To ease the pain for Cindy. Doggy food. Artistic graffiti. Oh, look at the floor. Warp style. Yum, 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 yum. Plastic. Graffiti everywhere.
Alright, since I don't work there anymore. Hi, Daddy.
Hello. We're here at Storming Crab.
God, look at Brittany, just tagging up the wall.
And unfortunately, our favorite waiter, waitress, whatever it is, our favorite waitress, Jade, is no longer here. As well as our other favorite waitress, Genesis. Waiting on our chair for whomever's going to be the lucky server. Oh, that's Brian, by the way. Storming. We got one of these bibs here. Well, whoever needs one. I don't think I need one, but it's nice to have as a souvenir. Again, the wet bar. Busy, busy? Not. It's Mexican Independence Day, or weekend, so there's a whole bunch of Mexicans and folks who like Mexicans hanging out in Las Vegas. But we're in Henderson, where we live, and nobody's here virtually, and that's a good thing. Yet we're still waiting to be seated. I don't get it. Some very creative graffiti. They actually encourage it here, as long as you keep it clean.
Although that smells good.
Hey, do you want to share the feed? What are you gonna? What are you?
And that's hungry as always. She didn't eat all day, apparently. Stayed at work and starved to death. Or as she puts it, fasting.
And then it's like right here.
With the thing first and then Daddy. She's still thinking.
I'll get these drinks started for you. Give you a little more time, okay?
I'm ready. House salad with honey mustard dressing. Clam chowder. And
And a clam chowder, sir?
and gumbo.
And a gumbo also?
Yeah.
Come to soup.
It's almost technically like a
You like gumbo is another soup.
Not really.
thick. I would say it's like a stew.
Yeah, it's more of a stew type dish.
Yeah.
Like an etouffee.
Chowder is a soup, kind of. Creamy.
I'll be right back.
All right, brother.
Let's give her a little more time.
Oh, yeah.
Help me.
I don't know. What do you want?
So introduce yourself, Brian.
My name's Brian, Jamie's girl, Jamie's boyfriend.
Jamie's girl.
Jamie, I was gonna say, Jamie's my girl, but
Oh.
And who's Jamie?
a beautiful lady.
Hi. Hello. Thank you.
And that sound effect came from herself.
That's not my name.
And Nanette never wants to be on camera.
No, my head's just round. So
Starting the meal
I
off
don't
right.
have anything to say. I'm like,
With
well,
happy
round,
juice.
Same shit, different day.
The drinks are here.
That's what I miss.
Oh yeah, look at that.
She's
Oh yeah, that is like the service said, the scrumptious. She got the big one. Those occasion fries. Oh, gracias, señor. There's my house salad. Ooh, I like it in a bowl. This is what else is being delivered. It'll all make sense when it's all this way. There's the tray of gift card. There's the bucket of crab. Ooh, look at that.
That's a number 2.
Chowder.
That's a lot.
Oh, has a lot of chowder.
Serve so it doesn't get cold.
Okay, thank you.
I love it. Wow.
Ooh, look at that. Holy mackerel.
OMG. I love it.
Nope, I'm just gonna wing it. Do I have cuts on my fingers?
You're getting the traditional bag, though.
I love it. Don't put me in that.
You're in the vlog. I got your elbow.
Give me that.
You want it?
I just want to eat it in the plastic.
Back, leave it right here.
Spicy food.
Voila.
We got 2 bathrooms.
And there you have it.
So we're gonna get
More bread.
more bread. You got it.
All right.
I'm gonna have spicy
Sweet. Look at that. Enjoy. Clean Plate Club again. Everybody else still working on it. Especially this one. Camera shy, please. Okay. I had to back away because Brian was about to open up the crab that's full of juices. So we're good. Yeah, we're good. What are you doing? Oh, look at that
I
juice.
know, be careful not to eat the kind.
Yum, yum, yum.
What is the kind, Mom?
Ryan knows.
We don't know.
That's kind of like steamy.
There's nothing. Oh, is it skinny? Yeah. Is it the kind? Oh, slippers.
And there's Miss Muscles.
The fat is in there.
My fingers hurt.
We're talking about Brittany's new boyfriend that she probably won't date.
No, don't say she. They just don't know
Oh,
each
Kyle
other.
also likes to go fishing. He's big on fishing
Fishing.
and hockey.
Fishing, hockey.
He also has a CCW. He's basically like
nice.
the
That's
whitest Asian person you could find. Concealed carry weapon.
That means he can have a weapon on him and you wouldn't know it.
And it's so tiny. It could fit in a bag. He's tried. It's very little.
That means close range weapon.
Which, I mean, I get it, because Kyle is not a large human. I'm not having much friends.
Yeah, so you can pepper spray him.
You're such a...
With your tiny little gun.
He might miss. No. Why did this turn into assault? Hey, look over there.
Can't think of a better way to end a meal.